folks, today I will show you JGaurora A5S model from China made. I bought on gearbest.com at Black Friday. It was $299. First, I'm opening the box. It was a little bit heavy. At the top of foam, there is a small box in there. Okay, it's pop cable and USB stick and SD card reader, some Chinese manual. On the middle of the box, it's a filament holder. I will attach it when I assemble together. And its JGaurora A5 and A3 model has a separated body. This is one of two big body for actuating exotics. Okay, one foam box is finished. Let's open second huge box. I opened opposite direction. There is two papers and the main body. It can print 305 by 305 with 328, and hit bed is in together, so nice design and good touch screen. And also filament is here. Now it's time to assemble. I will stand jet column with the main board. In the kit, there are 1.5 and 2 and 2.5 and 3 mm Allen wrench, M3 and 4 screw. So let's go ahead. Okay, I finished assembling, so I will connect a couple of wires for driving motor and heating bed. It's so easy to plug because this small X pin is different size each other. That is 1 and 2 and 3. It's all. Okay, the last step is bolting up filament holder on jet column frame under the extruder motor. I will use only PLA, so I didn't need a chamber type printer. So if you will print without ABS motor, then I strongly suggest this JGaurora A5S printer. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with next video.